Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Double sprint world record holder Usain Bolt was on Friday bestowed with the 2019 International Humanitarian Award by the American Friends of Jamaica. The 8-time Olympic champion joined founder and the chairman of CariMed Group of Companies, Glenford Christian, in receiving the award for their philanthropic work at the Hummingbird Gala in New York. Bolt hung up his spikes over a year ago, but on Friday he was lauded for his contribution to Jamaica on and off the track. In presenting the award, the AFJ described Bolt and Christian as deserving icons who are affecting and inspiring change.
I think it's one of the biggest awards for me, because I've always worked to give back to my community, and it's always great to see people like seeing what you have done for a country and awarding it. It feels good to know that people have noticed the hard work that they are putting in, and I continue, just makes me want to do more and continue pushing and doing as much as I possibly can for Jamaica and the world itself.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in delivering the keynote address at Friday's gala, stressed the important link between talent and hard work.
Goes without saying that Usain comes from very humble beginnings. Goes without saying that Usain Bolt is naturally talented. Goes without saying that Usain Bolt is gifted, blessed. But what is not often said is that Usain Bolt works very hard.
And Bolt's close friend, recording artist Christopher Martin, who performed at the event, heaped praise on the two awardees.
Well deserved, well deserved. You know, both nominees and both recipients, well deserved. You know, they've done so much for the country and for people of the country. It's well deserved, man. Yeah, man. And I'm happy I was here to see them receive the awards.
Apart from his superlative performances during his over 10 years at the senior level, Bolt was lauded for charity work done through the Usain Bolt Foundation, which was established in 2011. Christian was lauded for starting CariMed Limited in 1986 with just 3 employees and growing it to the CariMed Group, comprising 3 companies which are industry leaders in pharmaceutical manufacturing and distribution. The annual New York Gala is an opportunity for the diaspora community, supporters and friends with an interest in Jamaica to give back to Jamaicans in the areas of education, healthcare and economic development.